Live look at downtown Bakersfield. We're still a beautiful sunset, but of course those clouds overlooking the sky. Brandon Michaels joining us now because we have that storm system moving in. It's going to continue even tonight and tomorrow.
Yeah, we're definitely not done. Now, we've seen most of the rain already fall. We've got nearly 3/4 of an inch here in Bakersfield. We're not going to add that much more on top of it. But you see in Northern California, we've got more moisture churning there. We see some more rain making its way on shore. We see some more mountain snow. That's going to be heading our way tomorrow. And that is quite a bit colder system, too. We'll talk about why that is significant for us in just a second. Futurecast wants to give us a little bit more activity through the evening hours. I'm really not that concerned with the rest of the night here. I don't think we see much more in the way of showers until we get to really late tonight into tomorrow morning. Then things start to pick up again for us. And we do see a good amount of blue by tomorrow morning and through the day tomorrow. We're going to see these passing showers here in the valley. And as those showers push into the mountains, as you can see here, some heavy bursts of snow are likely. So it's rain for us here in the valley, snow in the mountains for tomorrow with those on and off showers through the day. Probably initially seeing a little more snow towards the Tehachapi area, and then later in the day that turned more down toward the Grapevine. But again, scattered showers through the day. If you're heading over the mountain passes, be prepared for some delays, even maybe some closures here, because we're definitely going to be dealing with some snow at pass level. Not too much more in the way of rain for us, though. I think probably 1/10 of an inch or less for most of us. We could see a couple of stronger showers or even weak thunderstorms, though, so some locally higher amounts not out of the question. Snow is the big concern for us tomorrow. Again, those snow levels really dropping down as low as 2,000 feet by tomorrow morning. So the passes definitely in play. As those showers push into the mountains, we will see snow at pass level. How much snow here? We've seen a little bit of a change compared to what the models were showing yesterday. I'm going still a trace to 2 inches for Tehachapi, which is still enough for some delays, even enough to close things down at times in our local mountain communities. Again, it doesn't take too much. Bumping up those totals over the Grapevine a little bit. I'm going 1 to 3 for the Grapevine itself. You get to those higher terrain areas outside the Grapevine, around the Grapevine, as much as 3 to 5 for Pine Mountain Club. So be prepared for travel delays or closures if you're heading out tomorrow. If you can avoid heading out tomorrow, I recommend you do so if you're heading over the passes. Taking a look at your wind gust forecast, that's another factor for us. We still have those strong winds, 30, 40, 50 mile per hour winds, not out of the question in the desert, and quite a bit of wind in our mountain communities too. So some blowing snow on top of the snow that's falling. Temperatures, of course, much cooler tomorrow. In our mountain communities, high temperatures in the 30s, and that's probably pretty early in the day. I think those temperatures falling back as that cold air arrives. 53 your high in Bakersfield for tomorrow, with mostly 50s over in the desert. Air quality not a concern for us. That's one thing we do not have to worry about here this weekend. It's in the good range, and the Check Before You Burn program is over for the year, so no concerns with that. Let's get into your Super 7-day forecast here now. Again, a good chance of rain tomorrow. There are probably going to be a couple of spots that miss out on the rain showers, but most of us will see at least some form of rain here. Taking a look at your travel forecast for tomorrow. As you head out the door, really at any point in the day, there's a potential, much like today, that you run into some stray showers here. And of course, if you're heading through the mountains, you may be running into that mountain snow. Getting into the rest of the 7-day forecast here, things are looking much nicer as we head through and into next week. Plenty of sunshine there through next week. Beautiful temperatures into the 70s. So really, it's only tonight into tomorrow that we really have to worry about the weather too much. And of course, as we said, the big story with the weather is the potential for that mountain snow. Trace to 2 for Tehachapi, 1 to 3 for the Grapevine. I'm going 2 to 4 in Fraser Park, 3 to 5 for Pine Mountain Club. So again, those totals look a little bit higher down in the South Mountains. And as we head into next week, we can put that behind us, back to that nice spring weather. But again, we'll be watching those road conditions very closely through the weekend.